Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Is AT&T giving free phones to replace 3G phones? We're upgrading our wireless network to bring you better quality and faster speeds. AT&T explains on the website where it is giving away free phones. In February 2022, your current cell phone won't work anymore. What free phone is AT&T giving away? AT&T is giving away free Galaxy Note 9 to customers ahead of 3G shutdown in February 2022. AT&T is preparing to shut down its 3G network in just 5 months from now, in February 2022, and the telco is not in the mood to leave behind its customer with no signal. Why is AT sending out free phones? AT&T surprising 3G customers with free phones after the network shut down. AT&T is shutting down its 3G network next year. The change is set to come next February and will affect a lot of people stuck on AT&T's 3G network. To compensate for the shutdown, the company is providing a free replacement phone.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.